to install your Serenity sticker. Clean the window with isopropyl alcohol, 70%, 90%, whatever is your poison. Clean it good, dry it off. Take this part, remove protective backing. Throw that away. Your stickers here. Get your Chineseness level. Put it on gently, take a credit card and burnish it in. Once that's on good, work all your bubbles out off the colors. Then remove the transfer tape. Clear transfer tape. Take your second sticker. Peel it off gently. Line it up so a little bit of the T and a little bit of the E are over the edge. Same process, burnish it on with your credit card. And voila, you are now the coolest Firefly fan in the country.